How to get free stuff on Temu. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of view. Now head towards the option of on credit and free gift. Over here you're gonna find different options. You can use any of the option to get free gift. Get 5 free gift. You can also choose that one, just click on it. Now you can select 5 free gift. Once you are done selecting all the gifts, click on confirm. Now you can confirm your address and then click on next step. In order to receive all the free gift, you have to invite friend. So you can click on this option of invite friends to get free gift. You'll get different social media platform to invite your friends, Messenger, WhatsApp and so on. Or also you can use your referral code. After your friends accept your invitation, you will be good to go. You will receive free gift. So that's all for this video. This is how you can get free stuff on Temu. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.